So this is a bit of variation we came up with. So it's laying on two like soft balls. And the idea is here is it doesn't give you the reference point to sink and push into the ground. So you have to hold your like your spine in a stable posture and then do that crunch. My argument there is just going to give you a lot more stimulus. You can push through the leg that's on the ground, but also doing it as a little bit of like a hip mobility tool because we're getting a really good pike position there. So we're only going to do 5 each. We're just going for strength and position, and think about keeping the toe pointed long. That's it, just like we want to do that planche, and it's keeping your core switched on the whole time. Don't let it off.